Hi, Carl with MachLabs. Have you ever wanted to customize your CNC, but maybe you didn't know how to program? You didn't know a programming language? Maybe you just wanted to simplify your workflow by adding a button right on the front screen that you always have to find and remember how to do? Well, with Mach Pro and your 5-click customization, you can simply do exactly that. Let's take a look. There are 3 dashboards in Mach Pro that you can configure just the way you want. Under your DROs, there are a handful of buttons that you can modify. On the right-hand side of your control screen, there's a whole group or multiple groups of buttons that you can modify. And under the Service tab, there's a dashboard that you can configure and add any of the hundreds of different widgets and put them there just to simplify your workplace. Let's take a look again at an example. If I just right-click Configure, or in any of these dashboards, I can hit Configure Dashboard like this, and now I can make or select from any predefined dashboard. I can look at, let's say I add a DRO measure. This is a cool feature just to be able to measure something on your machine without worrying about corrupting your offsets. I could jog a little bit, shows the distance I've moved. I could zero. Notice it doesn't affect my zero for my part. I could jog to the end of my material and measure, okay, I'm dealing with a 3-inch material. Just a simple widget example of hundreds of different options that you can add, as simple as that. Let's take another look. On my machine, I don't have a tool release, but I do want to be able to align my material easily if it's not loaded on my machine quite right. So let's change this tool release button to do something different. I'm going to click Configure Widget, and then I'm going to go in and change the spindle tool release button to plate alignment, just like this and like that. You know, I actually want to change the color, and as you can see on my little screen, on my laptop here, it doesn't have enough room to show. So I'm going to go ahead and click on the button and hit Configure Button. Here I can change my button color to just red's my favorite color. There we go. I'm going to call it alignment just to simplify it instead of calling it plate. There we go. And wow, just like that, I now have my plate alignment button. So how does this work? Well, I can just click this, jog to the edge of my material. Looks like I'm off the screen right here. There we go. I can jog down to the edge of the material, hit set position, jog up a little bit. As I know on my machine it's currently slanted. I'm going to hit set position and then apply. And just like that, it rotated my part to match. At MachLabs, we're passionate to simplify your workflow. Have fun creating. Thank you so much.